Hi, and welcome to how do I take the outside embed form opt-in code from the marketing system and put it directly into my Video Talk video email. This tutorial is going to assume that you've already followed the last tutorial or one prior to that where I showed you how to create the opt-in form code. If you haven't done that, please go back and review that because this is going to assume that you already have that code. So come under Capture Leads and click on Embed Opt-in Forms. Scroll down to where it says opt-in form that is embedded right on the page. That's the new feature. Click here. Again, this is going to assume you've already created some forms and they're going to show up over here. So when you have a form, you can see that you can either edit it or view it. I'm going to click on view just to remind you of something. This is what, when you put the form code into anything, including your video emails, this is what you see. And if you know if there's no title over that, and we'll show you how to take care of that in a second. What you want to do is get the code. You've already created the form and here's the code. So you want to copy it, come over to your My Video Talk Studio, launch your designer. Now I happen to be doing this anyway for myself, so I figured that I would just create a tutorial and show you how to do it. So you're going to pick a video and send it. Send it to whoever. I always send it to myself. Your subject line is, mine is going to be can do video in 60 seconds. That's the template that I've decided to use. And what I'm going to put here, I'm really not going to put anything inside here except the code. The reason being that my banner and my image link directly to where I want them to. So basically you're going to come in here and now copy the code. Scroll up to the top of the code, and I've mentioned this before where it says begin opt-in form code. That's not going to show up on your form, but it is going to take up space, and since I don't like space, I get rid of it. And I'm going to come in here and put a title. Now remember, we're trying to grab their information so that they can go into our contact manager and we can follow up with information to get them to hopefully eventually buy from us or join as a rep. So what I'm going to put here, I'm using this for a different business, which is my New Horizons business, and I'm going to say want to get, if I spell it right, get free video marketing tips. And the reason I'm saying that is because I want them to fill out the form, because I want them, I'm going to be giving them something for free. I'm going to get rid of that space because if I recall it has a lot of space. That's small. If you look at the default, as we all know in the My Video Talk emails, it's small, and I'm a little blind, so I like to go in and make that a little bit bigger so that it stands out, or I should say a lot bigger. I want to make sure that it's black, and then I'm going to send the email. That's how simple it is. And then we'll go over into my emails after they open up and show you what that looks like. Now again, the code is created on the My Video Talk marketing system side. Let me just force that so I can do that while we're talking. So it's created over here in your marketing system, and you're going to move it over into your video email system so that you can use the two systems in one for you to be able to capture people's leads from the marketing system in the My Video Talk products and get them on your mailing list and follow up with information that's going to tell them more about My Video Talk and why they want to join. So let's see, let's force the email. Comes through pretty quickly, as we know. This one's not. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's come back and give it a second. My email's a little bit slow today. My internet's not playing nice for a change. While we're doing that, I just wanted to show you a couple other things that we had brought up. You can't change anything in this form, in this box here. But what you can do, if you try to delete this, it's not going to go anywhere. But what you can do when you make it to make your life easier, or if it's just an extra step for you, don't do it. But you can copy that code, open up a notepad. You always want to use a notepad because, or something, whatever is Apple compatible, because Word will put in funky characters. Copy the code in here, and then you can come up here, scroll up to the top, and get rid of that begin opt-in form code here. And you can also even here write the title that you want to be in here, and that would be want free video marketing tips. And then you can just copy all of that and put that into your video email. So let's go see if it came through. Yep, here it is. Okay. And I'll stop the video. If you look down here, this is what we want to talk about. Want to get free video marketing tips? Well, give me your information. Now, if they fill in their information, I'm going to put a bogus email address in here because I want to see if I can actually go to the page that other people will see. If I put in my own, it takes me to a different page. That's just the way the system works, because you don't want to be collecting the same information from the same people and giving them the same pages. That's not good practice. So let's see. Now we have to come in here and put in our code and hit submit. And there you go. That took them right to my sales page that I created, and that all came from the video email, which was where? Is that it? No. Is that it? Nope. I don't know where it was. Let's see. I'll open it up again. I closed it out. That's right. Okay, so that all came from taking the code from your marketing system, putting it in your video email, and this information here is now going to capture their leads and put them in your contact manager in the marketing system, and then you can follow up and join lots and lots of people into your My Video Talk business. So I hope that was helpful to you, and I thank you very much, and stay tuned for more tips.